everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang Flo G, which is the Feed and Cortez official music video. So I won't say any longer, excited ako mapanood to, what Flo G has to offer for today's video. Kasi one thing that I really love about this artist talaga, hindi lang si Flo G, but this is Casta Clee, yung mga rappers talaga sa Pilipinas. Alam mo yung may substance ang sinasabi nila eh. Yung kanta nila, hindi siya trash eh. Hindi siya basura eh. May substance talaga. Yung tipong hindi sila nagmumura, pero the way they enunciate the lyrics of the song or the way nila sinulat ang kanta, may laman. So, titignan natin to. This is an on-the-spot reaction. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ano yan? Blues, green screen ba yan? Ganda ng color grading niya, ha? Wait. Anong meron? Ang catchy naman ito. Okay. Feeling tong kanta niya ngayon, no? Yes. Ay, wait, something... Parang it's a combination of two songs, no? Cortez and Nike. Okay. Flo G never disappoints talaga, no? Totoo lang. Iba talaga siya. Eh, yeah, Speed and Cortez nga, oo. That's why parang dalawang music siya. Mari Caltes. Catchy, ah. Test. Mari Caltes. Mari Caltes. Na 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 na. Mari Caltes. Okay. Ganda, ganda. Ganda. Catchy pa yung kanta niya, in fairness. Tsaka yung, alam mo yung the way siya the way siya mag-rap, iba, no? Parang alam mo yung hindi katulad ng iba na parang bumubula talaga yung bibig niya sobrang bilis. I mean, yeah, indeed, I can do that naman as well. Pero yung sa kanya talaga, chill lang yung execution ng kanyang kanta. Pero alam mo, mas gusto ko yung feed. Maganda yung feed. Ganda, oh. Mas gusto ko yung feed, actually. Dito yung bumubula yung bibig niya. Mas gusto ko yung kantang feed. Diba? Dito bumubula ang bibig niya. Anyway, so this is for today's video from Flow G Feed Quartet official music video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!